What's the meaning of annihilate? Annihilate. 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 Annihilate.
The word annihilate means to completely destroy or obliterate something or someone, usually through violent means. The result of annihilation is complete and utter destruction, leaving behind nothing in its wake. This term is often used when referring to military conflicts or natural disasters which have caused mass destruction. It can also be applied in a figurative sense to describe the complete and total defeat of an opponent in a competition or conflict. Overall, the term annihilate implies a finality and total eradication of what was destroyed.